Time for another tool of the day, folks. I think you guys might like this one. I don't know if you dislike the other ones, but you might like this one. A couple of little options here. We just did a tool of the day using the strike-through handle scraper stiff blade to bash these oil pans off from Chevrolets and various other brands. And the reason they're stuck so good is because they use ultra gray to glue them on there. So we use a multitude of sealants in our shop. So we usually are buying them in these small 3-ounce tubes or even smaller because we use so many different types and brands depending on, you know, what you're trying to seal up. Ultra gray, probably the most universal, most popular out there. The trouble is trying to get that pesky sealant out of the tube. Is this you struggling? I should do an infomercial like that, but we're not gonna. But needless to say, you know, getting it out of the tube, yeah, the tube's new, you can, you know, get her done. But when she starts getting down there, it becomes a pain in the neck. So there's this company, Valco, I believe it is, V-A-L-C-O, Cincinnati, the tube grip. It's got a phone number and stuff on there. A lot of knockoffs of these, you know, I mean, it's a simple design. They're I think they're 20 bucks or something, so probably not patented. So that's probably why they can't protect it and there's so many knockoffs. But essentially, you just take your tube and you stick it in there, and now you've got a squeeze handle. You can squeeze it out. Trying to think for a word. I'll show you how that one works. I'll put a link to these. These are simple, cheap. You can buy this brand, tons of knockoffs. The only problems I ever have with it is these stupid springs on here because this thing falls apart. So I squish the ends of the springs together to keep it from flying apart. That's my only gripe about it. But again, it's an inexpensive tool. When you put it together, it works. Other options on tube squeezing. Order yourself a thing of FIPG form in place gasket from Toyota, and they always come with these handy little openers. And you slide this little guy on. You might be able to buy these little things online, and then you roll up the tube, and then you just wind her down. That's a handy tool right here. So every time I do a Toyota, I always hang on to one of those. And then my ultimate, most favoritist one in the whole world is this thing here, but I can't find it on the line anymore. Maybe they quit making it, or this company went belly up, I don't know. But this thing, if I had a choice, this would be the one I would buy because it works the best. You slide that little guy down in there, you zip her back, boom, you lock her in, and that thing extracts every last ounce of the stuff you bought out the end. This thing works great. This is a phenomenal tool. I've had this for a long time, and like I say, a little bit of poking online. I don't know, maybe they quit making it, I'm not sure. But if I had my preference, this is far superior to this one. I mean, it's not even in the same category, but we're looking at this one because it's cheap and everybody should own one. Let me demonstrate. Screw my tip on there. Get us a hanky. Squeeze out the old goop. All right. Now this is not a lesson on how to put on silicone or should you smear it with your finger or shouldn't you. This is just hey, how does this tool work? And I'm here to show you this is how it works, just like so. All right. I'm a finger smudger, so I'm going to go around and smudge this around my finger. Now, generally speaking, the bigger the glob, the better the job, but sometimes like this, particularly on oil pans, that's not the case. What happens with your extra glob? Well, it hangs down inside the oil pan, plugs up that lovely little thing we call the pickup tube, and then your Chevy is like a rock. It goes kabang! And then just sits there because it runs out of oil pressure. So that's it. That's what I do. This should really get the comment section going. We'll leave it at that. I gotta get this on because now we did it. Cincinnati tube squeezer, there it is. Use it for your toothpaste, use it for your silicone. Use it for whatever comes in a tube that you need to squirt out. Thanks for watching, folks. You guys have a nice day.